Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to sign in into the Canadore college student account. Now to do that, what you need to do is open a Google browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in www.canadore-stanford.com and press enter. This will open the official web page for the Canadore College. Now once you're at this official web page, what you need to do is you need to scroll down and you will see the portal over here where you will see the login option. From the options available, you go and click on student login and click on login over here. This will redirect you to the page where you can log in as a student. So provide the email address. Once that's done, you type in the password. Then click on login. With this, you will be able to log in into the Canadore College as a student. So as I have told you, if you do not have access to this student account of yours, you first need to have an account activated or created through the college. For that, you provide your email address and they will enter your email address in their system. Once that's done, you will be able to obtain a password through the email they have provided. So this is a way how you can log in into the Canadore College. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.